Hello everyone, welcome to Family Crafts. Today we are making paper snowflakes. Have you ever looked at a snowflake? Really looked closely at one? If you have, you probably noticed that snowflakes are tiny six-sided ice crystals. Each crystal forms around a tiny bit of pollen or dust, way up in the clouds where it's cold. We can see some examples of the lacy patterns that form in these photographs taken in the late 1800s by Wilson Bentley. Would you like to learn how to make your own snowflakes? Great! Let's get started. For this project, you will need the following supplies. Paper. I like to use white paper, but any kind will work. A plate or bowl, something round you can trace. Pencils, crayons, and/or markers. And scissors. Take a moment to gather your supplies. You may want to pause the video while you do that. Is everyone ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Trace a circle on a piece of paper. It can be big or small, your choice. Cut out the circle. Step 2. Fold your paper circle in half. Find the center of the circle by folding it in half again and creasing just the center. Fold your circle in thirds so it looks like a slice of pizza. The center of the circle should be at the point of the slice. Step 3. Turn your paper circle into a lacy snowflake by cutting shapes along the folded sides. To change the shape of the outside of your snowflake, cut along the curved edge. There are lots of different shapes you can cut out of your snowflake. And remember, when you're cutting a shape out of one of the folded sides, the shape will be mirrored when you unfold your snowflake. Be careful not to cut all the way through either of the folded sides, though. If you do, your snowflake will be cut in half, or in quarters. Cut various shapes from the folded edges. Carefully unfold your paper to see how your snowflake came out. Repeat steps 1 through 3 to make more snowflakes. Try different sizes and cut different shapes to make each snowflake unique. Before you know it, the snow will be piling up in your house. How did your snowflakes come out? We'd love to see your creations. Tag us on social media, #CarryAtHome, or send your photo to carrykids@minlib.net, and we'll add it to our Family Crafts Flickr album.